Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to cook mushroom adobo. So, have fun watching! Let's start from preheating the pan. Oil, first oil. Let's just wait for a second. The oil is hot na and let's just put the onion first. Then the garlic. I just know that the recording was cut off, so let's wait, and then paghaluin na natin yung mga ingredients, and let's wait for another seconds. Then let's just put the mushroom. O diba, sana all parang cook na ako, but I'm not really good at cooking that much. So, mushroom adobo is my favorite, guys. Just stir it. Haluin, parang din masarap. Sa part tayo ito, dito na ako naglagay ng pepper at saka salt, and hinalot mo na ulit yung pepper at saka salt, and then next dito is lalagyan ko na siya ng magic sarap. Yun. Ito na nga yung magic sarap para maging masarap. After ng magic sarap, hinalo-halo ko naman ulit para mag-mix talaga yung ingredients natin. Kulang pa yan. Ito yung kulang, soy sauce. O, diba? Ginamit ko lang yung cup ng soy sauce. Naglagay din ako ng suka, pero may suka yung may sili na.